message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. You found somebody better than me to take care of your insecurities. You did it all while leaving me in the dark. I try so hard to be what you need. If you're into the finer things, well, maybe we should let this fall apart. 'Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you. I should've listened to my friends when they told me not to. They said you're nothing but a one-night stand, trip to Candyland. If you get too close, then you might understand. I know my heart's on my sleeve and I'm in too deep, but you're not thinking twice about me. I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying how I feel if you only knew. We wrote down every old cliche, a four-letter word in 100 ways, and reality hit me in the face.
Ako lang mag-isa dito. So, naglinis ako. And here's the outcome. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina. So, nalinis ko na yan. Nalinis ko na itong bathroom ko. Tapos, ayan pa yung paano sa CR. Ay, sa may toilet bowl. Hindi ko pa siya. Kasi pinatulo ko siya. And then, in-arrange ko yung mga cleaning chemicals. And ito, ano ko, isasampay ko mamaya mga bed sheets yan. And then, ayan. So, ito lang talaga yung nilinis ko. Yung toilet, nag-arrange ako dito. So, ito, in-arrange ko na yung lahat ng mga, ito, medicine kit, makeup, and everything. So, ayan. So, ano na kasi ako oras na. So, that's all. And then, tomorrow is iba naman siya. Hello! Nanonood ako kay Inday Garnet today. I mean, yeah. Today, nanood ako sa kanya. Bago ako naglinis, nanood ako kumain. And then, ngayon, kakain ako ng dinner. So, wait lang. Patayin ko nga muna. Si Inday Garnet. Shout out Inday Garnet. My favorite kumare. So, here is my dinner. My Abin Essen. Rice on aubergine. Yeah, eggplant. And then, I'm gonna put that in the microwave. So, ayan lang. I will add more fries kasi feeling ko kulang tong pagkain ko. Sobrang nagugutom talaga ako, guys. Oh, this is my fries. Magpa-fries lang ako. Ay! Ito dami. Okay na yan. Para may fries pa ako. Ayoko kasi bumili sa grocery store ng fries. Ayoko bumili mag-isa. Gusto ko with Steven. Kain!
'Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you. I should've listened to my friends when they told me not to. They said you're nothing but a one-night stand, trip to Candyland. If you get too close, then you falling for you. Should've listened to my friends when they told me not to. They said you never one night stand trip to Candyland. If you get too close, then you might understand. But now my heart's on my sleeve and I'm in too deep. But you're not thinking twice about me.
Have something to share. Sobrang nice ng duster na to. Look. Nakukuha niya lahat ng mga dust, tapos nagsistay lang siya dito. So, hindi siya lumilipad everywhere. Kaya ang cute, ang ganda, ang gandang gamitin. It's like Swifter. Swifter. Taylor Swifter.
Somebody better than me to take care of your insecurities. You did it all while leaving me in the dark. I tried so hard to be what you need. If you're into the finer things, well, maybe we should let this fall apart. 'Cause I